Welcome back, everyone. This portion of our video will demonstrate the proper doffing of our PPE for our York County emergency responders who may have responded to a suspected Ebola patient. Again, we encourage you to use the buddy system. Again, for the sake of this video, I will not be dressing out to act as the buddy for the person undressing, but in real scenario, the buddy should be dressed in the same layer of clothing as the person they're undressing. Again, I've asked Leslie to come in and help us demonstrate the doffing procedures, and I will narrate the steps as we go through those. For the purpose of this video, the area to my left will be considered our controlled area, and the area to my right is going to be considered our clean area. So one of the first things we want to do is place our large biohazard bag on the ground near the edge of our controlled area and clean area. So as we get to the end, we're able to easily step over into our clean area. We want to open up this biohazard bag as much as possible as we place it on the ground for our worker to step into. Okay, Leslie's going to step into that bag and then remove her outer shoe covers. For these particular type of shoe covers, she simply just has to rip them down the front. Okay. She will then change or remove her outer gloves. And gently drop those into the bag. And her buddy would assist her in putting on some clean gloves. Now this time when we put on our clean gloves, unlike when we got dressed or when we donned our PPE, we just simply want to cover our base pair of gloves. We don't want to pull them up over the cuffs of the sleeves. Okay. Next, we want to remove our hood. Since we have on clean gloves, we can stick our fingers inside the hood to aid in that. And of course, the buddy could help remove that. And then we're going to unzip the suit. At this point, Leslie would be able to assist her buddy in getting to the same point that she's at undressing. All right, next we're going to remove the suit off of our shoulders. Pull our hands through. Be careful not to touch those gloves on your clothing or skin, and then we'll remove those gloves and drop them down into the bag as well. Just the outer layer of gloves. Again, we'll place a clean pair back over top. And then Leslie can use the inside of this suit to roll it down onto itself and roll it all the way down to her ankle. You want to be sure that you get all of that inside the bag. Okay, she can now slide back and have a seat in the chair. And continue to remove her feet from the suit. taking care that she stands on the inside of that suit as she removes her feet. Okay, she can then stand. Step out of the bag into the clean area, holding her hands over the controlled area. Remove the outer layer of gloves, place them in the bag. Now remove the safety glasses or goggles, whichever you may have on. Next step is to remove the N95 respirator by simply pinching the front of it with one hand, pulling it away from your face, and sliding it up over your head. Place it in the bag. Remove the last layer of gloves. And we now recommend that you go change clothes, take a shower, and thanks for joining us. Be safe.